Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and another edition of the Fatafat Food Safety video. This is Reema from Food Safety Works. Today, we will learn about maintenance and sanitation in a food establishment. Maintenance and sanitation are essential in the food industry, working together to ensure food safety and quality. Maintenance refers to the upkeep of facilities and equipment to prevent breakdowns and ensure they function properly. This includes regular inspections, cleaning, lubrication, and repairs. Sanitation refers to the practices used to keep food preparation areas and equipment clean and free of harmful bacteria, mold, and other contaminants. This includes proper cleaning and sanitizing procedures, as well as pest control measures. Sanitation. A cleaning and sanitation program must be established and followed, with records maintained to document specific areas to be cleaned, cleaning frequency, and procedures, including the equipment and materials used. Clean and sterilize manufacturing equipment at set intervals. Ensure all equipment, utensils, and food contact surfaces are cleaned and sanitized before operations. Sanitation is accomplished through heat and/or chemicals. Once the food contact surfaces are cleaned, they need to be sanitized to remove or at least reduce potentially harmful bacteria. Ensure that cleaning and sanitizing chemicals do not contaminate food or packaging materials during or after their use, and clearly label all containers holding these chemicals. The document should outline specific sanitation and housekeeping procedures required during manufacturing, storage, distribution, and handling, including the removal of product residues during breaks and procedures for dealing with glass breakage incidents. Effectiveness of the sanitization process depends upon sufficient contact time, coverage of sanitizer, dosage of sanitizer, types of microbes or load of microbes. Sanitization methods. Heat. There are 3 heat-based methods for sanitizing surfaces: steam, hot water, and hot air. The most commonly used method is hot water, with temperatures exceeding 77 degrees Celsius. For hot air, the temperature should be 160 degrees Celsius, with a contact time of 45 to 60 minutes. Chemicals. Chlorine, iodine, and quaternary ammonium compounds are commonly used as sanitizers. It is essential to follow the instructions outlined in the Material Safety Data Sheet (MSDS) from the chemical manufacturer when using any sanitizers. Maintenance. Preventive maintenance of equipment and machinery must be performed regularly as per manufacturer instructions. The preventive maintenance program should cover all devices monitoring food safety hazards, including procedures, frequency, and responsible personnel. Corrective maintenance should avoid contamination risks to adjacent production lines. Temporary fixes must not jeopardize product safety and should be resolved promptly. Any lubricants or fluids used should be food grade if there's a risk of contact with the product. Regular inspections and maintenance of equipment are essential, with immediate repairs or replacements for damaged items to prevent contamination. A rigorous maintenance and sanitation program is the cornerstone of a safe and successful food operation. By prioritizing equipment upkeep, thorough cleaning procedures, and staff hygiene training, we can minimize the risk of contamination, ensure food safety regulations are met, and ultimately produce high-quality food for our customers. Please do like and share this with your friends if you find this useful. And don't forget to visit our website www.foodsafetyworks.com to see how we can help you. Thank you.